Hey there, Rich Girls. This is Christiana Niece from Rich Girl Code Academy. And today we are going to quickly go over the release of Chat GPT customized GPTs. All right. Yes, you heard me right. You can create your own customized GPTs. And this is so cool, guys, because if you're like me and you have a lot of information, a lot of resources, all of that good stuff, don't gatekeep anymore. There's no need for it. Go ahead and create these customized GPTs. We have one in budgeting. We have one with business. We have one for faceless content coaching. We have the girl boss one. We have the bachelorette for dating, the fashionista for helping you, get that idea out of your mind and, generate that image for your style, your fashion, your flair. We have the fitness coach. And of course, we had to have the self-love coach. And the possibilities are infinite, guys. Like, we've created 8, but I'm sure by the end of tonight, we're going to have probably 10 more because we have so many resources and we want to share all that. And at the end of the day, this allows us to do just that, guys. Right now it's free. You can definitely go in there, use Chat GPT to create your customized GPTs on your own. Get in while the getting is good. The best part about this also is that you can add you can teach your GPT things to say and provide links, affiliate links, blog links, links to your shop or whatever the case may be. Digital downloads. The possibilities are infinite, guys. Like, you can seriously put all of that stuff within your GPTs. All right. So I'm going to click on one of them. I'm just going to go to the girl boss. All right. Oh, and another thing, you're going to need GPT Plus to use these. This is not available. I repeat, not available for the free GPT. So you have to have the Plus. I didn't make the rules. I'm just letting you guys know what it is. However, once you get the Plus, you'll have all of this information available to you. And there's so many more GPTs. I'm just going over ours in particular right now. Okay. So for this one, for the girl boss one, we're just going to click on that. Oh, but before we do, I want to go over the features and functions. For every GPT that's created, it will show you, the knowledge information, the knowledge file, what's within that file, the browser ability, so it can browse the web. It can write and run Python code if you're, into coding, things like that. DALL-E, however you say it. Image generation, that's creating all of these beautiful images that you see all over online. File attachment, so you can upload files to this GPT. All right. And these are prompt starters, and these are ways that you can you can start the conversation with the GPT. Now, we've already told it kind of what to say and how to be and all of that type of stuff. But again, it's a personal experience for you. And this is a private experience. We do not have access to see what you have going on. This is your way, that you can just go on here and chat away and do what you need to do. And it's private. Okay. It's, we're not in your business or whatever. However, I want you guys to see the function. It's super easy. And I know you may be thinking, well, it's just like Chat GPT, the free version, but it's not, guys, because we're able to feed it and seed it everything that we want you to know. You know what I'm saying? And again, at Rich Girl Code, we got a lot of information that we want to get out there to the masses. So, that's why we have books upon books that have been published. That's why we have digital downloads and all of that stuff. And now we have Chat GPT, which has given us the ability to curate all of that information, put it together in one spot for you to come to and be able to just learn, earn, and grow. Okay. So, girl bosses out there, everybody that has a business, as you can see, how to start an online business, we got you covered. How to create an investment portfolio, we got you covered. How to build generational wealth, guys, we got you covered. How to structure my LLC the right way, we got you covered. All right. And we're going to be constantly feeding and seeding these GPTs so that oh my God, you're not going to need, you're not going to need like all those extra courses and extra digital downloads and all of that stuff. I'm telling you guys right now, like, those days are about to be over. All you need is a good GPT that gives you everything you need. take those steps, take those action steps and apply them and do what you need to do. And I'm telling you that, and I've, generated a nice income from digital downloads. But now that we're in this era, we're creating history, guys. All right. This is like the .com era. So get on it. Please don't get left behind, because there's so many things that you can do using AI. It's not all about generating cool images and things like that, even though that's cool and all. But it goes beyond that. All right. So get creative. Now, as you can see, it appears that the document I have access to does not contain specific information on how to structure an LLC correctly. However, I can provide you with some general guidelines. Okay, so structuring an LLC, choosing a business name, all of this stuff, or whatever the case may be. But if you want it to go into depth, you can say it, please, and be nice and courteous, guys. All right, I'm telling you, it makes a difference. Please, let's say, please expand on this for me. Please provide an example that's easy to understand. Oops. And follow. All right. We're just going to say this just for the sake of the video right now. All right. Because again, guys, we're going to be feeding and seeding these GPTs on a consistent basis. So every time you come and use it, it's going to be like a different experience, more in depth, just more resourceful and all of that. I want to provide the most value that I can through these GPTs. Now, I still will be conducting personal one-on-one mentorships, of course, but at the end of the day, this, oh my God, this has helped so much when it comes to the mentorship part in providing educational resources to my mentees and my audience. So I know that it can help you as well. That's why I wanted to share it with you. I wasn't going to gatekeep this information. You guys need this information, all right? So as you can see, it like really got in depth, it started giving you all kind of examples. You draft a document outlining how, they use digital Dynamo LLC. Okay, so that's the mock-up that they're using right now. And this is cool, obtain your EIN. Example, you apply for your employer identification number from the IRS website, and it tells you where to go. The EIN is necessary for tax purposes, hiring employees, and opening business bank accounts, for those who didn't know. So again, it's valuable, it's beneficial. It's questions that you can ask, without having to pay $300 every 30 minutes or, downloads and things like that, guys. It's resourceful. So play with it, use the other GPTs if this doesn't fit with you, because we have several and we will have more, because we're definitely going to keep exploring this new avenue. If you have any questions, you have any concerns, definitely feel free to leave them in the comments below. We're going to leave the link to all of these GPTs down below. And again, just play with them, let us know what you would like to see, because it helps us. We love your input. Okay, guys? Thank you so much. Until next time, blessings of abundance.